Here's a small deal of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, probably the Winton area. Each piece is different sort of material. First piece, the material's been wetted. This has been Dremelled. Nice broad red flash across there. Goes right across over here, showing that quite well. Next piece, not as defined, semi-rubbed. It just needs to be cut off the top, through there. End up with a little square or triangular stone, depending on how you want to leave that. Little picture stone. This just cut it the way it is, so you got the lines of colour. Purple blues. Need to be convex dome shaped stone. This bit I just threw in. Interesting sort of colour here, but it's fairly thin. Maybe a bit of matrix in here. Lucky last but not least. Little stone on the end here. Perhaps cut the stone off this face here and then cut that off, make a stone there. Anyway, it's a good little deal to get started, learn how to cut boulder, or attempt to. Cheers.